Okay, welcome back, guys. As you can see, my setup is a little bit different. I am making some changes here in my filming space, as well as here on my YouTube channel. So we're going to be moving more into the fitness realm. I'm going to be showing you some of my workouts and some of my workout gear. As I've told you before, I am not your typical 5'7", 130-pound woman. I am 5'4" and a hell of a lot more than 130 pounds. I will actually leave all my all of my measurements in the below. I'll actually get you guys those measurements. But I'm actually starting to work on that, and today what we're here for is we are going to be this pretty rose gold bag. This is our Ellie monthly fitness wear subscription. Now, I used to, in my previous unboxings, I'm gonna have to get a different chair. This chair's spinning, I'm sorry. I had the box. So I got 5 products, 3 pieces of apparel, and 2 like workout tools. So I got like massagers or resistance bands. One time I got a little like gym purse thing. So I took that down just to the workout wear because honestly I'm not using those pieces of equipment. I go to the gym. I don't really do at-home workouts. So it was just kind of a waste of money for me. So this bag is, I think I was billed $39.99. Let me check real quick. I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. I've actually been sitting on this bag for a week, but I have been sick. I got the worst sinus infection. It started on Super Bowl Sunday, which, hey, go Chiefs, like that's amazing. But it started then, and it really kicked my ass for almost 2 weeks now. So it was just a mess. I'm sorry, apparently I paid for this a long time ago. Okay, it was $44.95. So I guess I was only charged an additional $5 for those little worthless things I was getting, but still $5. Anyways, we are going to get into here. I don't honestly remember what I picked. If you don't know, Ellie is a monthly subscription for activewear. Y'all, I feel I'm so out of this right now. But they send you at the beginning of the month, usually on the 1st, their collections for that month, and you have the option to choose which one you would like to get, or you don't choose and they just randomly send you one. But when you sign up, you tell them your sizes and so on. So at least you'll get the sizes right, even if you don't go in and pick your items. So let's get into this bag. I'm sorry, it's loud. Ugh, okay, we got it. Okay, so every month it comes with this little, it's like a little envelope. It's super cute, but it's just like this, and it holds your documents. It holds like your shipping manifest. It tells you what is in here. It does not say individual prices for each of them, but it's, it tells you, I got 3 items. As you can tell, I'm still kind of sick. And then we have this little magazine that we get every month, and it tells you about the company. It also gives you like recipes. We have lots of recipes in here, some workout stuff like yoga moves. See, it's actually pretty helpful. It's not just garbage to stuff the bag like they get, and some other subscription boxes. Anyways, let's get into this. So the collection I chose this month, I actually saw it on there, was called Clean Slate, which makes sense because here's our sports bra, and I get mine in a size extra large. I am about a 36 triple D up top. I normally get larges whenever I buy sports bras anywhere else, but my first one that I got from Ellie was much too small. So I changed my size and got an extra large, and that seemed to work for the rest. So here is this. It does have removable cup pads, which is amazing. I really prefer the removable ones because they never hit me in the right spots and they look just silly. So it does have 2 removable cup pads. Some of them, I saw one not too long ago that just had 1 cup pad that went across, and I was just like, what happened here? This is a very absolutely soft material. I'm shocked how soft this material is. And here's the back. So that is so cute. Super cute. And this is by a brand name from Marika. We have had Marika in this box multiple times. So this is what their tag looks like. And yeah, this is just, it feels amazing. So what is it made out of? Let's see. This is actually made out of something. It's an 81% polyester, 19% spandex blend. So it feels very nice, and it feels like it's also double lined, so you have this lining on the inside. So it feels like it should be really moisture wicking, but it doesn't feel ultra supportive. So maybe no cardio one those days. You gotta worry about that with me because I'm not a cardio girl. Next, we have our bottoms. And I get a size extra large because in my first bag I got a large, which is what I normally get when I'm out on my own shopping for activewear. And not flattering at all. And it stretched beyond its capacity to where you could see all the goods. And nobody likes that. Nobody likes that. So I upped it to an extra large. I do have a little bit of extra room, like typically around my calves and such. But your girl's got some hefty thighs. My waist isn't super huge and my butt isn't big, but my hips are very wide. Very wide, and you know, I got thunder and lightning here for tree stumps. But here are our pants. They are from Marika as well. It says they have a 25-inch inseam, so it looks to be like a little bit of a crop. So this is the front. They have a smaller crotch gusset here with, it looks like a double seam. The seams look actually really nice. They do have pockets on both sides, so that's awesome. We got 2 pockets. This is the back. And they have that like kind of heart-shaped booty contour there. And then the little logo right here in the back of the waist. So they look like they come up pretty high. And they have some fun seam details going down the thigh right here. So it's right there. So we'll see how they are. I'm gonna try these on. I will give you guys a review of how they work. But we have one more piece in here. And this is our, so usually there's like a shirt, sports bra and a bottom, either shorts or pants, whatever. Your girl don't wear shorts, so I don't know. This is our little jacket. It's a zip up. It is a full zip as well, and this is also from Marika. I got a size large in this. Larges in the tops always do me very well. So it's long sleeves. It's very moisture wicking feeling fabric. We also, thumb holes. Thumb holes make me so happy. And the back, let's unzip this real quick. It has this little mesh detail. So right here, going halfway down the back between the shoulder blades. So that is super cute. It also has the pockets on the front, so you could kind of get away with wearing this anytime you wanted to. I really like this collection. My favorite collection that I've received from Ellie was a cranberry one. I think it was called like Wine Crush or something. And absolutely stunning. I love it. It's my favorite workout outfit. So I think, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep doing unboxings for you guys of this stuff. If you like the unboxings, or if you just want to know what the activewear is and if it's worth the money. So I think I'm gonna look more into these pieces and do a better review. There are a lot of girls out there that do activewear reviews. You know, you have Hope Scope. I love her, absolutely love her. She's beautiful and funny and entertaining. I love her. And she's so smart. But, you know, then there's like Whitney Simmons and Stephanie Buttermore. They all do all of these reviews and they are absolutely stunning. They are beautiful women. And I wish that I looked like them. Like, their bodies are amazing. Mine isn't that way. I am a thicker girl. I don't have a 22-inch waist and 41-inch hips. I have about 50-inch hips. No ass. None. Your girl's sitting on pancakes here. And huge thighs, you know. So I thought maybe that I could do a review for those of us that don't have quite as perfect model-esque bodies, to see how this activewear actually fits on us and to see maybe what's more flattering on us than what we're shown coming from Alphalete, Gymshark, you know, all of them. I love them. Their patterns are beautiful. They look amazing on these influencers that wear them. But they don't ever look the same on me. Never, because my body's not the same. My body isn't proportioned the same. I'm not in the same shape they are. I'm trying. Your girl is trying. We're actually getting ready to get dressed and go to the gym after we're done with this video. But I don't look like them. So when I get excited and I order this activewear and I spend a lot of money. I have some Gymshark coming today and I spent almost $200 on one outfit, y'all. One outfit. And I know it's not going to look like on me what it looks like on everyone else. It's kind of disheartening. It's so disappointing. And I know it's my fault. It's my body. But wouldn't it be nice if there was a space where you could see someone who doesn't have everyone else's dream body wearing this stuff, so you know that it's worth you spending your money so that you can get this stuff and you can look cute when you go to the gym and work on getting that body that you dream of. I think that's where we're going on this channel. So let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like that idea, if you think I'm completely dumb, if you think I've lost it, let me know. But until then, I've got to get dressed and get out of here and work on my body. So I will see you all next time. Bye.